ZANU-PF Masvingo provincial leadership is fired two senior officials from resisting the ED 2030 agenda. Zanapera mashoko anonga kunzi aiwa vakomana maloyalist aVP Chwenga panguva inoyi aiwa vogochwa voitwa kanyama kanyama. Pamusoro apo that mantra inozivikanwa kuti yadominata nyika yose, kunyange zvavo vakomana ava tiona macitizens havasi kuifarira. Ndoibva subscribe like out on the bell like timira kuna vanhu vamuchinzi chire the North MP Roy Bila and Gutu East MP Benjamin Kanyiwa were recently barred from participating in party activities for 21 days. The move, widely interpreted as part of President Mnangagwa's crackdown on the dissent, comes amid escalating factional battles over ZANU-PF's leadership succession. Both Bila and Kanyiwa are believed to be aligned with a faction supporting Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, who is rumored to be positioning himself to succeed Mnangagwa in 2028. This faction is reportedly against extending Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutional limit. However, Masvingo provincial spokesperson Pepukai Chiwewe denied any connection between the prohibition orders and the factional disputes, framing the suspensions as responses to individuals' act of indiscipline. Bila faces multiple accusations including violating the party's constitution, inciting public unrest, and insulting fellow party members. Ndo mashoko anobuda pano pationa kuti vakomana maloyalist aVP Chwenga vanoti vanhu vari kuona kuti vasiri kutevedzera that mantra ava that ED 2030 anenge achitonga. Vakomana vari kufaiwa, vamwe vari kususpendiwa pamaactivities emuparty. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nekume section medu dzemafungiro enyu, musano subscribe or like, totawo the bell icon.